When fall shows up on the homestead, it can be kind of a bummer to some people, but for me, it really gets me going, particularly because, the sun is at a lower ratio in the sky. It's not as intense. The temperatures drop quite a bit. For the first couple weeks of October, we often have really nice weather, and then there might be a couple days of rain, but then it goes out and it dries out. So you get this slow into fall, and I enjoy that. I go out, I get a lot of my chores done. I start building infrastructure for the next year. One big area is getting the greenhouse ready for January in 2024. It's where I start getting all the pots ready to go, and then just walk away, seal up the greenhouse, and let it sit until I need it. Leave it shut for 2.5 months. And that way we know if there's any insects in there, they die in the freezes. But also doing the final harvesting. We had a really nice streak where it actually hit in the upper 60s for a couple days. So that boosted getting the final tomatoes done, picking berries. And today is a chilly day, but we still got out there and did a bunch of stuff on the farm. So I think you have to look at fall, that there's still a lot going on, but it's just not as much of an emergency. It feels like that you have to be out there all day long doing chores. I now have time to come in and actually consider doing more canning, doing a lot of cooking, writing more on our websites, producing more content. I just have more freedom when I don't have to be out there watering for a couple hours a day. So still a lot to happen on the farm for the next, couple weeks. And then really, that's when everything goes to sleep for the winter. And I get to actually sit back and relax and enjoy the winter as well before it all starts again in just a couple months.